Hi everyone, welcome back to Random Insights channel. Today we're going to talk about 10 tips and tricks for traveling to Europe. Europe is one of the most beautiful and culturally rich places in the world, and traveling there can be an unforgettable experience. However, it can also be quite overwhelming and stressful if you don't know what to expect. So, let's dive into our tips and tricks to help make your European adventure as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Tip number 1. Plan ahead before you even leave for your trip. Make sure you do your research and plan ahead. This includes booking your accommodations, researching the best transportation options, and familiarizing yourself with the local customs and culture. Tip number 2. Pack light. One of the biggest mistakes travelers make is overpacking. Pack only what you need and try to limit yourself to one suitcase and one carry-on bag. This will make it easier to move around and you won't have to worry about dragging heavy luggage up and down stairs. Tip number 3. Bring comfortable shoes. European cities are best explored on foot, so make sure you bring comfortable walking shoes. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Tip number 4. Learn basic phrases. While English is widely spoken in Europe, it's always a good idea to learn some basic phrases in the local language. This will make it easier to communicate with locals and show them that you're making an effort to connect with their culture. Tip number 5. Use public transportation. Public transportation is often the most efficient way to get around in Europe. It's also a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture and experience the city like a local. Tip number 6. Try local cuisine. One of the best things about traveling to Europe is trying the local cuisine. Be adventurous and try new things. You never know what delicious surprises you might discover. Tip number 7. Be aware of pickpockets. Unfortunately, pickpocketing can be a common problem in some European cities. Keep an eye on your belongings at all times and be aware of your surroundings. Tip number 8. Dress appropriately. Make sure you pack clothing that's appropriate for the local culture and climate. For example, if you're visiting a cathedral or other religious site, you may need to dress more conservatively. Tip number 9. Take advantage of free attractions. Many European cities offer free attractions and activities, such as museums, parks, and concerts. Take advantage of these opportunities to save money and immerse yourself in the local culture. Tip number 10. Embrace the unexpected. Finally, embrace the unexpected. Traveling to Europe is full of surprises and unexpected moments. Embrace them and enjoy the journey. That's it for our 10 tips and tricks for traveling to Europe. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any additional tips or tricks, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel videos. Thanks for watching.